All right, if you watched the last video, you noticed that I said when you do factor by grouping that you just simply put parentheses around. The issue is when, like on this one, you have this negative sign. So you have to be careful of that. So I can group the first two with no problem. But now if I put a minus sign here, I need to be careful. The 5x will be positive because if I distribute the negative, but notice the 15y needs to be negative. Why? Because the negative and the negative will make it positive. So that's when you need to be careful with this factoring by grouping. And so I look at the 4 and I know I can factor out a 4x. How do I know that? Well, 4 will definitely go into 12. And remember, you take the highest power, which is the x to the first power. So that's going to leave me, I took a 4 out. It looks like only an x minus 3, because 12 divided by 4 is 3. I took an x out, so it looks like a y. Over here, it looks like I can factor out a 5, because 5 is the highest prime factorization of 15, 5 times 3. And notice what I would have left, x minus 3y. And if you watched the last video, remember I said this will always happen. And so it's kind of nice because it helps you factor this out. And so now if I bring the x minus 3y out front, that leaves me with the 4x minus 5 for my final answer.